Looky there. Crispy Crunchy chicken. Every Southerner knows the best chicken comes from a convenience store. Howdy, y'all. I am at a Top Stop convenience store in Roosevelt, Utah. And their fried chicken's popular here. I've been really disappointed so far. This is decent sized chicken, especially considering everybody else around here. Let's give it a shot. That is good. That's really good. Looky there, huh? It's moist, it's got flavor, it's not dried out. That's good chicken. We've got a honey bun. That's good too. Maybe I've just been deprived too long of really good chicken, or I'm really hungry, but I think this is actually decent chicken. The guy behind the counter told a family in front of me they were out of something, and said, try the red beans and rice, they're good. I don't know if they did, I don't think they did, but I did, and it's good. It actually tastes like red beans and rice. From the way the rice is plopped on top, they fix them separately and throw the rice on top, instant rice probably. But this is good stuff. I'm really impressed. Last week I was in Vernal and stopped at a franchise called Wingers and tried some wings, and they were like this big. I spent most of my time there just hunting for meat on the chicken, and I paid twice as much, so this is much better. Anyway, it's a thumbs up, and I'm gonna go back to eating and being a slob, and you don't need to watch that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.